Right now, I have a very exciting opportunity for you guys based on a gorilla that caused uproar with the public. Now, before we jump into this video, I'm not a financial advisor. I do this for educational purposes only. Now, of course, if you didn't guess, I am talking about Harambe. Now, as you can see, it's Harambe token.ai, the famous gorilla that caused uproar with the public. Now, what they're actually doing is they're releasing a token, and you're in a very good opportunity because this token gets released on July the 16th. Now, one of the main things that I love about this is the pre-sale token gets locked on the release date. Now, as you can see here, also, you do have the opportunity to enjoy passive earnings and reap 100% annual percentage yield. Now, there's not many tokens out there that actually give you that, so this is a big thing for you, and they don't even advertise that massively, so definitely jump on the fact that you can receive 100% annual percentage. So like I said, you do receive passive earnings simply by holding Harambe AI token. They have multiple options and excellent staking and mining plans as well. We're going to dive deeper into this right now. Okay, so what you can also see on their homepage in big writing is you can enter their $20,000 giveaway. All you have to do is simply click on the Harambe AI airdrop, follow the details, and apply right there. As you can see, they've also been linked to some of the big names in the market. I just saw Crypto Daily, Tech Bullion, ICO Holder, and even CoinMarketCap and Bitcoin Insider. Now, you have 3 steps to unlock passive wealth you can buy. Take advantage. The price starts at just $0.05. That's per token, and then will increase every 48 hours. You can simply hold the token, sit back, relax, and let the AI-driven bot do it all for you. And also you can earn. Your profits consistently grow. Like I mentioned before, you get 100% APY gains. Now, what is Harambe? Okay, so it's not your average primate nor your favorite meme or another crypto wealth dream gone wrong. Harambe is a hedge fund. Now, don't be confused because AI hedge fund allows everyone to get involved, not your wealthy individuals that you normally associate with hedge funds. This allows every single person to be involved. So what they've done is they've learned from the good, the bad, the winning, and the not so winning cryptocurrency blueprints. And basically what they're doing is they're developing a highly profitable venture in the crypto jungle. So 6 of the main benefits you can see on the screen right now: hassle-free profits, decentralized hedge fund, auto trading AI bot. So there's no work for you. Just buy the token, stake it, and let the AI do it for you. Buyback and burn cycle, 20 times gain for pre-sale, and a 24/7 blockchain trading. Okay, so let's dive deeper into the tokenomics. There is a total of 690 million total tokens. And what I love to see is there's no tax and there's no team tokens held back for them. They are all up for sale. So you can see 30% is pre-sale, 40% is the DEX liquidity, 15% has been burned, 10% is CEX listings, and 5% will be held for marketing. So the roadmap, and like I said, it is an exciting opportunity because you are literally right in at step 1. Phase 1 is the token pre-sale launch. The completing of the pre-sale, list Harambe on Uniswap, and then phase 2, they're going to be onboarding influencers, launching the 1 million marketing campaign, list Harambe on Gate and KuCoin, and deploy Harambe AI. Phase 3 will be scaling up to 5 million market campaign, integrating the stocks into Harambe AI. And phase 4 and final phase, they will be integrating Harambe into top crypto bots. List Harambe on Binance and Coinbase and add additional token utilities. Now, what I also like about this website is they're not holding back. They are showing you that crypto experts and seasoned traders are giving their review. You can simply click through and you can see some of the top names in the industry giving their opinion, all currently 5-star. They are all being posted on their X and Twitter. Noticeable one here of Elon Musk. Now, we all know what Elon Musk did to Dogecoin, sent it miles high, and a lot of people earned a lot of money. So you're in a very good spot with the token only being 0.05. Now, also what they're doing is total transparency with the company. They are showing you that the founder is Valerie Shurik. The CMO is Josh Buck, and partnerships are Matt Sorkin. So down at the bottom as well, you've got your frequently asked questions. Why should I buy it? Why is Harambe unique? How do I know that AI trading bot is accurate, etc., etc. Now, at the bottom, please do take a look at their social media. You can click on Telegram or X or any of the other icons. Go over, follow, and keep up to date with all of their updates. Will be on their social media first. And a final added bit of source for you is, as you can see at the top, which I just skimmed over, but Harambe AI token pre-sale is already over $9 million raised. Now, what that means, it puts it in the same scale as PP, SHIB, and WIF. Now, what that means is they have a huge marketing and advertising campaign. So you know that this is going to be pushed to the maximum. And like I've said at the beginning, you are in at the very beginning. The token launches on July the 16th. Now, let me know down in the comments your opinion on this. Was you affected by the Harambe incident that come out? And also, is this something that meets your investment criteria? Let me know down in the comments. I'd love to know your opinion. Now, if you've liked this video, hit that like button, hit the subscribe button, and also press that bell to be notified of my next video. But for now, peace.